I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the car and phone are ready. Update the Accord's infotainment if possible, and make sure your iPhone is unlocked. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the iPhone and the USB port labeled with a phone icon. Many Accords require the wired connection first. Once connected, allow CarPlay on the iPhone prompt and accept any pop-ups on the display. Make sure Bluetooth on both devices stays enabled so the system can remember the pairing for future automatic connections. Once CarPlay appears on the Accord screen, organize your apps on the iPhone under Settings General CarPlay so frequently used items sit up front. Use Siri by holding the steering wheel voice button or saying, "Hey Siri," to start navigation, place calls, or send messages without taking your eyes off the road. Make sure the Accord audio source is set to CarPlay so sound routes correctly. Test Maps, phone, and your music app briefly to confirm touch and voice controls respond as expected. To finish, confirm the system automatically reconnects when you plug in or enter the car. If not, try a different certified Lightning cable and move the cable to another USB port. If CarPlay still won't load, restart the iPhone and the Accord's infotainment system, and only reset network settings as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the Lightning cable for damage and test another cable first. Most CarPlay faults trace back to a faulty or non-certified cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.